unboxing videos. My name is James, and today we are unboxing something from Volante Design. Now, I know what's in the box. It's the Picard jacket, but I haven't opened it yet. I have cracked the seal, though, because I didn't want to have to slice it open on camera. It says here, "Stop. This sticker is all that separates you from your extraordinary new look. Take a deep breath." Okay, go. Always packaged so nice. I almost hate to open it, but it's like Christmas. It really is. I really love this stuff from Volante Design. Oh, this is beautiful. This is the Picard jacket from season 3, the Admiral's jacket. This is gorgeous. This is wool, 100% wool. It's so soft. Okay, let's try this on. Let's make sure I sent them the right size. Oh. Yeah, little snug. It's got a two-way zipper. Shoulders fit nice. It's got some pockets. You can see the stripes on the sleeve. Man, this is beautiful. This really, really is. And as with all Star Trek jackets, there is a spot for a pin. Pardon me 1 second while I step off camera. This is not the Admiral's pin, but this is a Picard pin. I actually picked it up from Volante Design while I was in New York at Comic-Con. Yes, Volante also has the pins you need. These are the magnetic pins from Fanset. Oops. Okay, because it's made for the Admiral's pin, it's a little, there we go. But it's in the right spot. This is the communicator pin that was used in Picard. This has beautiful stitching. Nice details. Gonna have to lose a little weight. You definitely can't wear anything heavy under this if you get it form-fitting, like this is. But like I said, this is says two-way zippers. In case you got to reach your phaser or whatever. This is an absolutely beautiful jacket. Retails for $395. Man, is that soft. Pockets are good and deep. You can carry your tricorder around, car keys, whatever you need. It's a 3/4 length jacket. It's not a full length jacket. It is, as with everything from Volante Design, a thing of beauty. I mean, this is just gorgeous. There's the pocket there. There are no other inside pockets. You can, let's see. Oh, there's an inside pocket down here. Here is the small pocket for your pin. This way, if you pull that off, you don't lose the backing to your pin. But this is really made for the Admiral's pin, which is kind of elongated. This goes in the wrong direction, I think. I mean, I didn't design this. This has got a really nice lining. Yeah. Yeah, I'm 5'10" and 168 pounds. This is a 43 medium or 43M. Nice cloth collar. The black accents really pop on this jacket. There's cloth around the pockets as well. I love the fact that I just opened the box and already I'm finding cat hair. My cats get everywhere. But this is a thing of beauty. Yes, this is the Starfleet 2401 Admiral's men's jacket. Like I said, retails for $395. It's a thing of beauty. It really is. This is a perfect gift for yourself or the Star Trek fan in your life. Because honestly, if you're not worth it, who is? Pick this up from Volante Design. This has been James. Please follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and of course our website. Oh, also YouTube, but you're watching YouTube, so that doesn't matter. Also our website, www.geekstronomy.com. This has been James, and I'm saying